Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to take one more poem, An Evening Wet with Rain by Ved Pal Deep. First, you have introduction about the poet, and you please go through this introduction, and we will see summary of this poem and take some explanations. Dear learners, first we will see summary of this poem. Dear learners, the poet here reproduces the atmosphere of an evening that was wet with rain. The poet was walking through a lane. Everything was wet with rain. The poet was in a sad and depressed mood. He had lost all hope in the evening of his life. He did not know whether he should stop walking or keep going in the rain. And wafting with the wind, water was seeping through his shoes. He was feeling heavy in his eyes. He should be due to sleep or fever. All around there was perfect silence. Memories of childhood began to flood the poet's mind. He is reminded of the time when he used to stand in the country yard. Listening to the sound of cymbals, but now those are things of the past. What is past can never be recalled. Now the only thing the poet can hope for is sleep in the lap of night. That is death. The poet sees the light of an earthen lamp in a wayside modest inn, but the poet is in no hurry to reach there and seek shelter. He now knows that his days are numbered, so he has left himself to his fate. Dear students, this was the summary of this poem. If we take explanation of this poem, dear students, we will see it is an evening that is wet with rain. The poet is walking through a lane. He has some companion with him. His heart wants his companion to hold his hands with love. Both the poet's heart and his mind have grown weak. His mind knows that only a gentle breeze is blowing and won't do him much harm, so he can't decide whether he should stop walking or keep going, wafting with the wind. Due to the rain, everything is wet. Windows, doors, and awnings of the houses all are wet. The poet sees a banyan tree at some distance. The cool breeze is stirring its leaves. The collar of the poet's coat was also become wet with the drops of rain. There is silence all around. The poet is feeling cold in his feet. Water is seeping through his shoes. He is feeling heavy in his eyes also. It could be due to sleep forever. The ground has become slippery. There is no place to stand and save oneself from the rain. The poet feels exhausted in his mind. He looks for some place where he can sit and reset. Further, the poet says that loss of hope has darkened the evening of his life. He means to say that he has reached the last stage of life. No hope he has been left for him. It has filled with his old age with darkness. Clouds of depression have gathered in his mind. They shed tears when he has to face troubles in his old age. His companion, perhaps his wife, is also depressed. She is holding his hand and taking him along. The poet recalls the days of his childhood. He remembers how he used to stand alone in his country yard. The waves of air would bring the sound of cymbals being rung somewhere. The poet feels that the days gone by don't return. He finds no way to call back times that are past and gone. So this was some of the lines from the explanations. The poet, in the last few lines, the poet here describes the coming of the night in a poetic manner. He says that the evening is preparing to go to sleep in the lap of night. In the simple words, everything in the evening is giving way to night. It seems as if the sky's feet are going to touch the ground slowly and softly. The shadows of trees growing along the side of the tank have stopped moving. It is as if they have gone to rest in the dark tank. A passing cloud has cast its shadow over the hills. So this was some lines from the explanations. I hope you will note down this in your notebook and prepare for your exam. This was all about of our today's class.